Just enjoying a little my racist starter kit from Screaming Sicilian Pizza. They give you these little mustaches, so I figured why not break it in down here at the Columbus Day Parade, celebrating Italian Americans and everything else too. If you down here, they have all kinds of ethnic groups doing their thing. My grandfather had a mustache like this.
Never change. I keep that restless charm.
Hey, it's a Frank Sinatra tribute. Happy Columbus Day!
Sister cities, go international, make some noise! That wrinkles your nose, touches my foolish heart. Lovely, never change. I keep that restless charm. There is nothing for me but to love you, and the way you look tonight. Are you ready? Just the way you all look today. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Come on, Chicago. Make some noise out there.